Let's take a look at how the healing brush, the spot healing brush, and the clone stamp work. So the healing brush and the spot healing brush blend pixels. So it's great for skies and big open types of areas. Not good for precise areas around edges like the hat or those twigs up in the background. For those, we'd want to use the clone stamp. So let's look at how this works. Remember earlier we made a retouch duplicate layer, and that's the layer we want active for this project. So we're going to make this larger, and I'm going to do Command plus, 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 and I'm looking at my image at about 300%. And it really shows me all the problems in here. These are problems, this is problems, this is problems. These are branches in the background. I've actually had people go through and remove all of those branches. Don't do that. It's part of the original photograph. Part of what we're trying to do with this project is be true to the original photograph. When I talk about being true to the original photograph, I'm talking about keeping the texture of the photograph, keeping the shadows in the photograph, keeping things that were there originally in the photograph. Look deep and try to make decisions. If I hop over here to this other photo, there's some things in here that I would actually get rid of that you might think are part of the photograph. So let's just take a quick look here. While looking deep, I'm thinking this is not part of the photograph. It looks like a tire track, so I would be retouching that. As I come down here, this little spot under the dress, I swear it looks like a finger. It is so weird. I would get rid of that. And all of these little dots. A lot of times I'd clean up any of these bigger areas that are distracting. And of course, I'd want to rebuild the line here. I'd clean this up. So along with the photograph, we got to think about the borders. I'd clean up this border. When I get up here, this area right here, it looks like a stain. I'd be cleaning that up. Little dots on her face, I'd be cleaning that up. If I make this larger, dot, clean that up. All of these little dots, you clean them up. So those are just some things to get you thinking. Look deep, question the photograph, and make a decision. In the next videos, I'll show you how to use the tools.